right, guys, before we get started, I just wanted to ask y'all, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. It helps support my channel, because without that, you know, this isn't possible. So please hit that subscribe button and that bell for further notifications on when I'm going to upload it. It sure does help, guys, and I truly appreciate it. Okay, unfortunately, on our last week, we did a drawing on the kitchen knife set. I did not have a response from Miss Deborah Kite, so I have to pick another winner, unfortunately, and that winner is, drum roll, Miss Michelle Castro. She is subscriber 5,753. So that's what our little, what is it called, Curtis? Our
number generator.
Number generator. That's what it fell on. So Miss Deborah Kite, I'm sorry, I had to choose another winner, and that winner is Michelle Castro. So my email is in the description box. You have 1 week to notify me so we can get your beautiful kitchen block knife set out. So please do that, okay, as soon as possible, because it's 1 week and I'll have to choose another winner, okay? Congratulations, and we will see you guys later. Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up a banana split fluff salad that's been all over the internet for a while. I wanted to try it, and I wanted to get on and make it up with you guys. For whoever hasn't seen it, you know, let y'all come along and see how it's done. It's looks really good, really good. Now that summer's up on us all, we're looking for some cool down desserts, and we are in Texas. It's hot here, so we are looking for some cool desserts. So let's go ahead and jump in here. Okay, first off, we are gonna need a, let's get this here. We are gonna need a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple, and leave the juices in. That's your liquid for your pudding. It's a 20-ounce can. And let's get that poured in there. I had to move to my table for this one to do it because my lighting went out over there. So we're doing it at my kitchen table today. Whatever works, right? As long as you guys can see it, that's all that matters. And now I have a 3.4 box of your banana pudding instant. Let's get this in there. And what you're going to do here is just stir it around till it gets a little thick. Just like we do pudding. So I'll continue to stir till it gets a little bit thick there, guys. Okay. Excuse me. Alright, I stirred that a few minutes just like you would your instant pudding. You want it to get pretty thick for the fluff banana split salad. So, okay, now to that you will need an 8-ounce tub of good old Cool Whip. That's an 8-ounce tub. Go ahead and get that in there. Can't wait for this to sit. And if you can, guys, in the beginning there, try to make sure, if you're planning on making this here, go ahead and get you know, if you have your pineapple on hand, great. But put it in the fridge overnight. Get it nice and chilled. That gives your salad a head start, you know, on cold. Because of course you want this cold. Okay. And to that, I have, I'll stir those in last, a half a cup of mini semi-chocolate chips. That's a half a cup of the minis. And save a little bit for the top. If you're wanting to do it for presentation. You know, we all eat with our eyes first, so if it looks good, it's going to taste even better, right? Okay. And I will need a half a cup of mini marshmallows. Or half a cup, I'm sorry, a cup. 1 cup of mini marshmallows. And you will need a half a cup of diced or chopped up walnuts. I went with a little bit less because I saved some for the top. Presentation. And I have 2 medium small, they're not real big, bananas that I'm going to get chopped up in here. However you want them, but I would suggest doing them in rounds like this so they don't break all up. Now, as we know, bananas tend to oxidize quick, so you want to make sure you make this salad to eat that day or no later than the next day. And it don't make a whole lot, so it can definitely be eaten up. And that's 2 medium bananas. Okay. Just 1 second, guys. Alright. Had to get me a hand towel. My hands are kind of sticky there. And to that, I'm gonna Blanche, go away. I got my dog over here with her toys. Just kind of fold this in. Try not to break up those bananas. Making a mess. We're definitely cooking up or doing something here with food. If it ain't messy, you ain't cooking. I need to tell myself that. I don't know if y'all are like that, but every time I cook or do something, it's cook clean, cook clean, cook clean. That way when you're done with everything, your mess is cleaned up. And now I have, excuse me, a 10-ounce jar of maraschino cherries, diced in half. I did save 1 for the topping. And when I cut these, y'all, I cut them and set them on a napkin in a bowl. That way we get rid of all that juice, because we don't want a lot of juice or red color in our pretty fluff there. So it's a 10-ounce jar chopped, and I reserved 1. Now I'm going to get this stirred up, and I will be back with the presentation. And the good thing about this, it's quick. You got it all on hand, it's quick. Okay, so let me get this stirred up, and I'm going to put it in a nice bowl, and we'll be back. Now, I wanted to make sure to tell y'all, stir it around and fold it over. Make sure you get it all from the bottom. You don't want to stir, because then you'll just knock all that air out of everything. So just kind of make sure everything gets incorporated. All that pudding streak, you can see it in there. Get it all stirred around good. But just don't stir. We just want to kind of fold it over up on itself. Just like that. Alright? Alrighty, there it is. I tasted it, even a little bit warm. It's not warm, but you know, it's a little bit cool. It's delicious, guys. Try it up. It's really good. But I put a few bananas there just for presentation on the side. If anybody else wants to put bananas all the way around it, if you're gonna serve it for presentation, you know, it's very appealing. It looks really good. Not too sweet. That's why it's important to leave your juice from your pineapple, your Cool Whip, your pudding all sweetens that. That's your sweeteners. That's why there's no sugar in it. Well, there's plenty of sugar, but let me get my phone, guys. I got a phone call. Alright, but there it is. I had to get that phone call. I apologize, guys, but try it up. Let me know what you think. I think it's pretty darn good. Definitely refreshing, but until next time, please hit that bell for further notifications, guys. And hit that subscribe button. And it helps support my channel. And until next time, you guys stay safe out there. God bless. And enjoy the banana fluff salad. Bye-bye.